In front? What is that? Don't go in front for my spirit.
We invite you.
Yes.
So just stay. Okay. To the court.
Maybe you will sit here. Okay.
Cardinal.
Excellency, permit me to stand up.
They will not miss you.
Okay, Mr. President.
You don't need to stand up. Packed with the two contenders. Now you are here again. Please, could you let us know what is going on here, sir?
All right, as you have been aware and as you have mentioned, all of us here are members of the Peace Committee to ensure peace is maintained. And I want at this moment to thank Nigerians and all the international community who came to support us during the election. The election has been very peaceful, despite the hitches on there. At the end of the election, at the counting, there are a lot of upheavals that have happened, but thankfully they have been contained. We were at the middle of a meeting with the international observers to try to see how we can still water the tension down. When gladly I called General Buhari, we were going to see him. He told me Mr. President has called him at about 5:15 and congratulated him on conceded defeat. We were spellbound. And the reason we have come here is to thank President Jonathan for this statesmanship. In the history of Nigeria, I think this is the first time where a contestant has called his rival to congratulate him. And through this point, President Jonathan has always maintained a point that the blood of Nigeria is not worth his presidency. And by his action, he has proved that. He has proved that he is a man of his words, because during our interaction on this peace committee, he has always maintained he is going to accept the result of the election, whichever way it has done. And he has proved this. And I think we need Nigerians, all of us, to join hands in making sure we assist him in a peaceful handing over. And I will appeal to all politicians, those who are celebrating and those who are sorrowing, to please give peace a chance to be moderate. In any contest, there is always going to be a winner. And President Jonathan has accepted that he lost, and we want to thank him. On behalf of Nigerians, I want to thank President Jonathan for being the statesman that he is. He has proved that he's a statesman, and he has the love of this country in his heart. So Nigerians should please help him to ensure this peace reign.
And maybe you have advice for anybody who, in the PDP, or anybody who has an agitation against the results. What's the best process?
Well, our electoral laws have got procedures of seeking redress. So if anybody has a redress, please, we should abide through the law. I appeal again to our youth, to everybody, to please give a peace a chance and accept that the contestant himself, the chief contestant, has accepted. So nobody, please, should go and raise any eyebrows and cause any destabilization of this country.
Thank you for your time. Thank you. Your Excellency, thank you.
Yes, more shots. Do more. It's not this. Yeah.